I'm not sure. You can explain. How does hard drive work? What's inside hard drive? Let's go to the video. Imagine every picture you took of the past year all saved in an area of a single dot of ink from ballpoint pen. We discuss this video how an entire library can fit the surface of this metal disk. Let's look at inside the hard drive. Hard drive has many components. The hard drive consists of following components: platters, head, actuator RAM, controller, interface, circuit board, firmware, cache and sensors. Platters, many disks made of magnetic material where data is stored. Heads are small magnetic readers or writers that float over platters. Actuator amp, it helps to move the heads across the platters. Motor spins the platters at high speed. Controller manages data transfer to hard drive and computer. Interface connect the hard drive to the computer. Circuit board control, operate and communicate with the computer. Firmware, permanent software stored on a hard drive. Cache, a small amount of high-speed memory for temporary data storage. And finally, sensors. It monitors temperature, position and other vital parameters required. All these components work together to read and write data to the hard drive, enabling data storage and retrieval. Please keep watch for